In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar on Squarespace. Adding a calendar to your Squarespace site is a fantastic way to keep your visitors up to date with your events, appointments, or any significant dates related to your website. Whether you're managing a personal blogging site, a business page, or an online portfolio, a calendar can enhance user experience and keep your audience engaged. To start, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace site. This is the digital space where you've been sharing content, connecting with users, and showcasing your passion or business. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll be ready to take the next steps. Now, you'll want to add what's called a block to your site. In Squarespace, blocks are like building blocks. They allow you to add various types of content to your page. To begin, locate and click on the Add Block button. You'll typically find this option in your site's content editing section, where you can modify what your audience sees when visiting your site. With the option to add a block now open, you should see a variety of content types you can integrate into your site. From text and images to complex functionalities, the possibilities are vast, allowing you to tailor each page to your specific needs. We're focusing on adding a calendar, so you'll need to search through the available options until you find the calendar block. Once you spot it, click on it to select it. This will allow you to place a calendar on your desired page. It might be helpful to think for a moment about where your calendar will be most effective. Consider what kind of events you will display and who will view them, then place your calendar accordingly on your site. Once your calendar block has been placed, you might be eager to start populating it with important dates and events. However, before diving into that, you need to take one crucial step to save the changes you've made. Look for the Save button. This button ensures that your hard work isn't lost and that your calendar is seamlessly integrated into your live site. Clicking Save will lock in your new calendar layout, keeping it visible and accessible for your visitors. Congratulations, you've successfully added a calendar to your Squarespace site. Now it's up to you to customize it with all your events and essential dates, ensuring it's a useful resource for your site visitors. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll explore more ways to maximize your Squarespace website's potential.